Hi everyone, welcome to Ajiro Tech. Yes, Ajiro Tech. Okay, so in this video we're going to be looking at the Cambridge International Education, and we're looking at the IGCSE Information and Communication Technology. The course code is 0417, and we're looking at Paper 2 Document Production. Yes, this was an exam that was written a few months ago as of the time of this recording. So let's go ahead to document production. And these source files have been provided, and I think we've done this. Yes, so task 2, document. You're not going to edit a document for our sailing club. The company uses a corporate house style for all its documents. Paragraph style must be created, modified, and applied as instructed. Now, when it comes to modify, you have to be really careful. Be extremely careful, guys. Extremely careful, okay? And open the file N22OT Regatta. Now, RTF are which text format? It only works with text. So if you save in any images on the RTF and you save it, you open it, it's not going to work. Okay, so you need to understand that's why we have to save it as a Word document. Okay, so let's open the file. Okay, Regatta. Okay, this is what it is. Okay, enable editing. All right. The page is set to A4 landscape 2 cm margin. Do not make any changes to the settings. Please, if your system is not a centimeter, you need to know how to go about doing it. So I'm just going to show you in this video how to change your measurement unit from any other measurement unit to centimeter. So you click on File, you click on More, Options, Advanced, and then you scroll down to Display and show measurement unit in, and then you have it. You can actually change it. Okay, yeah. Okay, so hopefully you've learned that there's always something to learn in any of my videos. Okay, now this paragraph style has already been created. Do not make any changes to this unless instructed. So let's check the paragraph styles. So I can see body, I can see table, I can see title. Okay, save the document your work area in the format of the software you're using with the file name sailing. Copy, click on File, Save As, sailing, change it to Word document. Take a screenshot to show the file has been saved, including evidence of the file type, and place this screenshot in your evidence document. Okay, so let's change the view to details, and let's sort it to date modified. Okay, let me adjust this a bit. Okay, now I can take the screenshot. Please endeavor that your system is in a light background. Very important. Okay, let it be on a light background, not a dark background. Okay, so this will be evidence 1, and in this video we're also going to be printing the evidence document, so you could actually stick around to see how that is done. Okay, so we're done with this. Just 1 mark, but at least it's something, right? Place right align in the header the text sailing instructions. Click on Insert, click on Headers. I'm going to click on the 3 columns, right align sailing instructions. On a new line, okay, right there your name, center number, and candidate number. Now it's going to be on a new line. So right here on a new line, my name Ajiro ND, AN, 2023. Now, this simply means that it needs to be on a new line, right? It doesn't need to be on the line of the selling instructions, right? So I'm going to close, and there you have it. Okay, so you can try to make this left align, center align, or right align. So I'm just making my center line. See, it was not specified. Place in the footer automated page number center align. So I'll click on insert footer, click here, automated page number. I'm going to click here, the page number, current position, right here, take this off and take this off. Okay, now make sure that the header is right aligned to the page margin. Yes, it's right aligned to the page margin. We can check by clicking on views, grid lines. See that right there. The footer is center aligned between the page margins. We can check. Yes, it's between the page margins. 13 right there from 1 to 25. No other text or placeholders are included in the headers or footer areas. There is none other apart from this and this. Okay. Headers and footers are displayed on all pages. Yes, they are. So I'm just going to take this off. And that's 2 marks for listening to that instruction. Okay. Let's go ahead. Create the following paragraph style, basing it on the default paragraph style. So let's create it. So I'll click on home. And I'm going to click right here. And I'm going to click this right here. Obviously, in my previous Word processor, it had the plus. This is having this. So just know the difference, okay? And I'm going to paste this. This is the subhead. Okay, I'm going to paste this. Now, the paragraph style is paragraph. I'm basing it on normal. So I'm going to click normal right here. Right? Please ensure that it is on normal. Okay? And it's going to be paragraph style for the subhead as well. Okay? Alright, so let's add the features. Serif, which is Times New Roman. You know what, guys? Please, I'm just going to cancel. Now I'll click here. Nope. Now it's important that you do not tamper with anything, right? I'm going to explain this. You don't tamper with anything. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to click on enter to create a new line. Okay, and I'll click on normal. Okay, and I'm going to create this. Very important. Okay, I'm going to paste this. All right, serif Times New Roman. Now it's going to show sample text. Font size is 18. Center, italics and underline. Single line spacing is right here on single line spacing. Space before, click on format, paragraph. Space before, after is 4 points. I'm just going to type 4 point there. Okay, so yeah, we're done. Take screenshot evidence to show the settings for the TRO subhead paragraph style and place this in your evidence document. So let me take a screenshot. Okay, this is going to be where evidence 2. Okay, All right. At the start of the document, on a new line, at the start of the document, enter on a new line the title Tarawa Regatta. So yes, I'm going to paste this here. Apply the TSR title paragraph style to this text. Okay. Modify the TR title paragraph so only the formatting is applied. So I'm going to modify it. Okay. So serif was used, not sans serif. Times New Roman, and the font size is 30. Center the line, bold, so I will check this, bold and italics, single line spacing, and everything is 0. I want to check. Yes. Are we taking a screenshot? Now we're going to take a screenshot. Sorry. A single line spacing, I see 1.5. Nope. 1.5. So a single line spacing is important to always check. So I'm going to take a screenshot. New. Okay, this is going to be evidence 3. Okay. Evidence 3. I think I can just adjust this real quick. So probably it accommodates. This should enter. It has to be legible, so is it clear? Let me just reduce this other one a bit. Okay. See if I can make this again. Okay. Just adjust this a bit. Okay, and I think we should be good to go. Now what they want to see is are these properties right here that have been applied, single line, 30, bold, underline, everything is just in there. The same thing we here, everything they're looking for is just in here. Okay, so we have done that. Select the subheading schedule. Okay, select the subheading. Okay, let's see. Subheading. Okay, and the following text up to and including the paragraph ending, put text committees a final. So I'm just going to look for it and click on find. Let me just close this. So right here, from here, Select the subheading schedule and the following text up to and include the paragraph heading. So I'm just going to select this. Okay. Okay, what do I do? Change the page layout so that only this text is displayed in two columns of equal width. I'm going to go to layouts, columns, more columns of equal width with a 1.5 centimeter space between them. With a 1.5, they have equal width between them. Okay. Apply bullet to the text from overall theme. I'm still going to rely on you. To overall theme, overall theme to or later. Okay. Make sure the bullets are indented 1 centimeter from the left margin. Okay. So I'm going to use a bullet here. Preferably, I like using the square bullet. I'm going to click on paragraph. It is indented what? 1 centimeter. Okay. 1 centimeter from the left margin. The list is in single line spacing with no space before after each line. Okay. And there is what? A 6-point space. So we're just going to use here and reduce it to a 6-point space. Good. And that's 3 marks, guys. Identify the 6 subheadings in a document and apply the TSR subhead paragraph style to each one. Okay, let's apply, identify them. I'll click on this is the first one. Then I'm going to click on this and I'm going to click on the subhead 1. What else am I identifying again? I said they're up to 6. Two, 3, 4, 5, and I think this is the 6th one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Import the image N2202 flag and place it in the paragraph beginning at the start of each race. Okay, I'm going to look for it. Start of, okay. I just saw that right now. Right there. So we're going to place it beginning at the start of each race. Now you can see the difference there, right? So let's import the image first. Let's see what happens from there. Okay. Okay. Flip the image so the flag is on the right. So let's do some flipping. I'm going to flip it. Yes. Flip it horizontal. The flag is at the right. Okay. Format the image so that it is resized to a width of 2.5 centimeter with the aspect ratio maintained. 2.5. I'm just going to close this. This is the width here. This is the height. You know the difference. A width of 2.5. It is aligned to the right of the column. Okay, and at the top of the paragraph starting at the start of each page. Align. Nope. Undo. It is aligned, so I'm just going to move it. Okay, come in. The text is wrapped around the image, so I think this, I'm going to make it tight. I'm going to move it to the right. Click on my view, the grid line. Yes. Okay. So it is aligned at the start of each page. Let me see. Square. No, text wrap. Let me make it tight. Yeah. Okay. And that's format, right? Locate the table in the document. Format the table so that it looks like this. Okay. So let's locate the table. This is the table here. Format it to look like this. So I think the first thing we can do right now is we can all agree on adding this. Okay. I think that's the first thing we can do right now, right? Okay. So the next thing is for us to highlight this, and under layout we're going to merge it. Then we have the text direction, and we're going to do it this way. I'm not sure. Let me see. Okay. So we have it this way. I think okay, 12. And yes, gray, light gray. Yes. 4 August is merged. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Merged what? Let me see. Center. Okay. Okay. All right. Let me see. Nope. I like. Sorry. No, I'm just going to highlight this. Click on home. I think we can make it 11. So it was actually 11, so let's keep it that way. It's 11 for a reason, so let's keep it that way. Okay. Make sure the text are displayed on one line in column 2, 2 here, in column 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Table borders and all data fit within the column width. Okay. All right. 1 point black internal and external grid line are displayed when printed. 1 point. Okay, 1 point, 1 point, 1 point, 1 point, 1 point. So right here, so you can see that it's actually not 1 point. So I'm going to go to borders. Let me see. Borders and shading. I'm going to change the width here to 1 point, 1 point, 1 point. So now let me check. It's 1 point. Okay. The TSR table star is applied to column 2, 3, and 4. The TSR paragraph star applied to column 2, 3, and 4 has not been changed. So let's check. 2, 3, and 4 has not been changed. Okay. Thank you. There is a 6-point space after the table. So what I'll do here is hit on enter, go back here, and adjust it to 6 points. Thank you. And it's 8 marks, guys. 8 marks. Spell check and proofread the document. So let's spell check and proofread it. So click on review, spellings and grammar. I don't know what. I'm going to ignore. Okay. No, I'm going to leave this. I'm going to leave this. So the work is good. The tables at least are not split over columns or pages. So let's check. Are not split over columns. The list is not split. The tables are not split. Okay. There are no windows. There are no windows or offense. There's no windows or offense. Okay. Okay, uncheck this. Okay, so let me cancel. Okay. Yeah, there are no blank pages. Yes, there's no blank pages. Paragraph style has been applied and instructed with consistent spacing maintained. There is a 6-point space after the table and the list. So yeah, there are no windows or offense right here. Everything looks good. Save the document using the file name and format used. Save the document using the same file name and format used in step 1. And what is step 1? Let's go to step 1. Ceilings. Okay. Then we print the document. Click on File, click on Save, click on Print. It's important you check just want to be sure. Area, okay. This is going to be print out. Just going to copy this. Print out 1. So there we have it, guys. We are done with this paper, and there's a need for us to check how the word looks. Please always print into PDF. It's very important so that you can see how your work looks. If it looks good, and then you can get good marks. Okay. All right. So now we're going to print the evidence document, which is the final task. Evidence document, just looking for it right here. Yes, task 5, printing the evidence document. So let's check our work, and this is going to be print out 6. Copy. Okay, we have 4 pages. I think I can adjust this. Three pages. Okay, click on File, click on Print, and then we can see everything here. So this looks good. Yes, it does. Okay, this page 2. Alright, so let me print this. This is going to be print out 6. Now the whole essence of making this a printout is so that you can see how the work looks before you actually submit your work. So you can see that to know if it's going to be legible, if it's not going to be legible, what you need to do and not do. It gives you an idea. Okay, and if everything is to your liking, guys, please by all means you can submit. So we are officially done with this paper. October November 2022. I think it was really cool, a lot of challenge, both paper 2, and we've done also this analysis in paper 3 as well. So thank you for watching. Please don't just watch, practice along with it, because practice makes perfect, and a perfect practice gives you an outstanding result. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. There are tons of materials right here that you're gonna need, you're gonna go through, and you're gonna have an outstanding grade. So go through this content. They're there for your IGCSE ICT, the course code 04117. And with that, we say bye.